Exercise Class 9 Subject Science and Technology Lesson number 2 Work and Energy Question Answer. जर तुम्ही चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, तसेच नोटिफिकेशन बेलला सुद्धा ऑन करा. यामुळे तुम्हाला नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन लगेच मिळेल. ओके, तर चला व्हिडिओला स्टार्ट करूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 राईट डिटेल्ड आन्सर्स. A. Explain the differences between potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy, the energy possessed by a body on account of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. It occurs in various forms such as gravitational potential energy and electrical potential energy, but work is not done till it is transformed into kinetic energy. 3. Gravitational potential energy is equals to mgh. 4. Potential energy can be negative. Kinetic energy. 1. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called its kinetic energy. 2. It occurs only in one form, and for doing work it does not have to be transformed into another form. 3. Kinetic energy is equals to 1 by 2 mv square. 4. Kinetic energy cannot be negative. B. Derive the formula for the kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with velocity v. Answer. Consider a body of mass m moving with a uniform acceleration along straight line. If u is the initial velocity of the body, v is a final velocity, and s is a distance covered by the body during this change of velocity, we have v square is equals to u square plus 2as. The kinetical equation of motion: v square minus u square is equals to 2as. S is equals to v square minus u square upon 2a is equation 1. If F is the net force acting on the body and W is the work done by the force, W is equals to Fs is equation 2. Now F is equals to Ma is equation 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we get W is equals to maximum V square minus U square upon 2A is equals to 1 by 2 M V square minus U square. For a body initially at rest, U is equals to 0, W is equals to 1 upon 2 mv square. Work done on a body is equals to change in the kinetic energy of the body. Kinetic energy of is equals to 1 by 2 mv square. C. Prove that the kinetic energy of a freely falling object on reaching the ground is nothing but the transformation of its initial potential energy. तर अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला डायग्राम ड्रॉ करायची आहे. Answer. Consider a body of mass m initially at rest at point A at a height h from the ground. Suppose that the body is released so that it follows the downward path ABC freely. That is, the buoyancy due to air and air resistance are ignored. 1. At point A, u initial velocity is equals to 0. Kinetic energy is equals to 1 by 2 mu square is equals to 0. Potential energy is equals to mgh, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. Total energy is equals to 0 plus mgh equal to mgh. At point B, if v1 is the velocity of the body at B after covering a distance x, v 2 by 1 is equals to u square plus 2gx is equals to 2gx. Kinetic energy is equals to 1 by 2 mv square At point C, if v is the velocity of the body at C, v square is equals to u square plus 2gh. Considering the motion from A to C, v square is equals to 2gh. Kinetic energy is equals to 1 by 2 mv square is equals to 1 by 2 m of 2gh is equals to mgh. Potential energy is equals to 0 at the ground level. Total energy is equals to mgh plus 0 is equals to mgh. Thus the total energy of the body is the same at point A, B and C. That is, the total energy remains constant due to the motion of the body. D. Determine the amount of work done when an object is displayed at the angle of 30 with respect to the direction of the applied force. तर अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला डायग्राम ड्रॉ करायची आहे. त्यानंतर cos थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू OS अपॉन OP बरोबर OS इज इक्वल्स टू S cos थीटा. This is the component of displacement in the direction of the force work done by the force. W is equals to F upon F of S cos theta is equals to Fs cos theta. For theta is equals to 30 degree, cos theta is equals to root 3 by 2. W is equals to F of Fs root 3 upon 2. E. If an object has a zero momentum, does it have kinetic energy? Explain your answer. Answer. Kinetic energy of the body, mass m and speed v is equals to k is equals to 1 by 2 mv square equal to m square v square upon 2m is equals to p square upon 2m, where p is equals to mv is the momentum of the body. It follows that if p is equals to 0, the kinetic energy of the body is 0. F. Why is the work done on an object moving with uniform circular motion 0? Answer. 1. The work done is positive when the force acting on the body and displacement of the body have the same direction. 2. The work done is negative in the force acting on the body and the displacement of the body have a positive opposite directions. 3. The work done is 0 when there is no displacement of the body due to the applied force, or when the force acting on the body and the displacement of the body are perpendicular to each other, as in uniform circular motion, where the force is always toward the center of the circle and the displacement is always tangential. Question number 2. Choose one or more correct alternatives. A. For work to be performed, energy must be. Option 1. Transfer from one place to another. 2. Concentrated. 3. Transform from one type to another. 4. Destroyed. Answer. Option number 1 and 2. B. Joule is the unit of. Option 1. Force. 2. Work. 3. Power. 4. Energy. Answer is option number 2 work and option number 4 energy. Joule is the unit of work and energy. C. Which of the forces involved in dragging a heavy object on a smooth horizontal surface have the same magnitude? Option 1. The horizontal applied force. 2. Gravitational force. 3. Reaction force in vertical direction. 4. Force of friction. Answer is option number 2 gravitational force and option number 3 reaction force in vertical direction. D. Power is measure of the. Option 1. The rapidity with which work is done. 2. Amount of energy required to perform the work. 3. The slowness with which work is performed. 4. Length of time. Answer is option 1, the rapidity with which work is done, and option number 3, the slowness with which work is performed. E. While dragging or lifting an object, negative work is done by. Option number 1, the applied force. 2. Gravitational force. 3. Frictional force. 4. Reaction force. Answer is gravitational force and frictional force. Question number 3. Rewrite the following sentences using proper alternatives. A. The potential energy of your body is least when you are. Option A. Sitting on a chair. 2. Sitting on the ground. 3. Sleeping on the ground. 4. Standing on the ground. Answer is 3. Sleeping on the ground. B. The total energy of an object falling freely toward the ground. Option 1. Decreases. 2. Remains unchanged. 3. Increases. 4. Increases in the beginning and then decreases. Answer is option number 2. Remains unchanged. C. If we increase the velocity of a car moving on the flat surface to 4 times its original speed, its potential energy 1. Will be twice its original energy. 2. Will not change. 3. Will be 4 times its original energy. 4. Will be 16 times its original energy. Answer is option number 2. Will not change. D. The work done on an object does not depend on. Option number 1. Displacement. 2. Applied force. 3. Initial velocity of the object. 4. The angle between force and displacement. Answer is option number 3. Initial velocity of the object. Question number 4. Study the following activity and answer the questions. हे तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित वाचून घ्यायचं आहे. Then questions. 1. At the moment of releasing the balls, which energy do the balls have? Answer: potential energy. 2. As the balls roll down, which energy is converted into which other form of energy? Answer: potential energy to convert kinetic energy. 3. Why do the balls cover the same distance on rolling down? Answer: they have the same speed. Question number 4. What is the form of the eventual total energy of the balls? Answer is kinetic energy. Question number 5. Which law related to energy does not the above activity demonstrate? Explain. Answer: law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be converted from one form into another. Thus, the total amount of energy in the universe always remains constant. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करायची आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रांसोबत शेअर करा. तसेच चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब देखील करा. तसेच नोटिफिकेशन बेललासुद्धा ऑलवर क्लिक करा. यामुळे तुम्हाला नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन लवकरच मिळेल. सो भेटूया नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज व्हिडिओसह. तोपर्यंत बाय बाय अँड टेक केअर.